Why do 95% of nature enthusiasts love the secretary bird? This bird isn't your typical feathered friend. Standing up to 4 feet tall, the secretary bird struts around the African savanna with legs longer than a runway model. But don't let those legs fool you. This bird is a master hunter, with a powerful kick that can kill a snake in milliseconds. The secretary bird is Africa's coolest predator. Its long legs help it stomp through tall grasses and flush out prey like rodents, insects, and yes, even venomous snakes. But it's not all action. Secretary birds have a unique look, with feathers that resemble quill pens behind their heads, making them look ready for a business meeting. So next time you think of fierce hunters, remember some of the coolest ones have feathers. Like and subscribe for more wildlife wonders.